A guide to the importance of muscular strength and endurance. Hypertension is defined as a condition in which the force of the blood against the artery wall is too high. It is also called high blood pressure, is considered any blood pressure above 140/90. Mechanism of this condition is varied as it can be caused by many different factors, but some of the most common are sedentary activity, diet, and family history. Benefits of physical activity in all populations. Some of the benefits reported by the CDC as a result of regular physical activity are increased bone and muscular strength, helps you lose weight, and reduced risk for heart disease and diabetes. The CDC also reports that those who exercise only 150 minutes a week have a 33% lower risk of all-cause mortality than those who live a sedentary lifestyle. Benefits of physical activity in the hypertensive population. Regular physical activity is considered a cornerstone in fighting hypertension. The benefits of exercise in this population are numerous, but can include weight loss, disease recovery, and decreased stress levels. While these may not seem much, disease recovery is a major benefit in this population as it can prevent something like a heart attack. Muscular strength benefits in the hypertensive. Decreases mobility issues, ability to walk for longer without having to catch breath or aches, pains, and lower blood pressure. Other benefits can also include lowering risk for chronic diseases and managing a disease that often goes hand in hand with hypertension, with those being diabetes and heart disease. Frequency and intensity. The frequency of exercise should be 2 to 3 days a week. The intensity of their exercise should be 60 to 70% of their 1 rep max and may progress to 80%. For older individuals and novices, beginning with 40 to 50% of their 1 rep max. Time. For resistance training, it is recommended by the ACSM to do 2 to 4 sets of 8 to 12 repetitions for each of the major muscle groups. Type. For resistance exercise, it is recommended that those with hypertension exercise using resistance machines, free weights, and/or body weight. Isotonic exercises are key. Here's some functional exercises that you can do. Squats, lunges, bench press, bicep curls, and kettlebell pulls.